Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. For our first project, I'm going to be cutting these popsicle sticks in half. And now I'm going to begin by gluing them right on top of this beautiful little bitty birdie house that I found at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put those popsicles throughout the roof. And for this little piece right here, I am going to add the last few popsicle sticks. Now, all I did was bend that popsicle stick and then go ahead and glue it right there. I'm going to be removing this tag and I'm going to pull out my drill and drill a hole right in the middle. I'm going to be mixing this brown acrylic paint along with this khaki color. And with those two colors, I'm going to be painting the roof. Okay, so I'm going to be putting that birdhouse to the side so it could dry. In the meantime, I'm going to take this straw and I'm going to be cutting it to size. So I cut them to make sure that they are going to be fitting over here on the roof of this little birdhouse. And I'm going to be covering the entire roof with these straws. So now all the straws are glued in and I'm going to be using the same mixture of paint and I'm going to be giving it 2 coats. I decided to use this bright yellow, so I'm going to go ahead and paint all 4 walls of the birdhouse. And for the second birdhouse, I'm just painting this lower portion over here with that bright yellow. So as you can see, I'm going back and forth from one birdhouse to the other. And with this mustard yellow acrylic paint, I am going to be painting all 4 walls of the second birdhouse. Purchased this piece of wood at dollar store and these little wood knobs, I've had them in my pile forever. It is time to put them to use and I am using some hot glue. I put them on either side and these are going to be the legs. I'm creating a little stand for the birdhouse. So I took my drill out again and I created one hole on either side. Those chiskaba sticks or skewer sticks, I'm going to put one on either side. This is going to be holding our birdhouses. I'm going to be using a little bit of hot glue. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put them through the chiskaba stick, and that should hold pretty good. And then of course we are ready to start embellishing these beautiful birdhouses. But before I do that, I have white chalk paint and I am going to distress the entire piece. So I'm going to put that to the side, and I have combined some chalk paint with baking soda. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats to this beautiful bird. I am really liking this. I never saw these. I think these are new at the dollar store. So as you can see, I gave it 2 coats. Once this birdie is nice and dry, I am going to go ahead and distress it with that khaki color, and this is going to be looking so pretty. I love this bird. I bought 4 of them and they were different colors, and of course this one I painted in white. This nest is from the bottom of my stash. I took plenty of hot glue and I am gluing it right in the middle, and then I'm going to be distressing that little bird, and that's going to be going inside that bird nest. I am just going to be adding also some yellow flowers or some floral. Want to make sure that it looks nice and full. I'm gonna go ahead and distress this bird with this khaki color, and then after that's done, then we could go ahead and place them in the nest, and we are going to be ready for the final reveal. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Your thumbs up goes a long way and it helps my channel. This month we are back with the Talented Creators collaboration, and it is being hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, and LoliD Creations with Loli. And we have a guest host, Craft Away with May, and the co-host is Z9 Designs with Cynde. I'm going to be leaving the links down below in my description box so you can go ahead and visit these talented creators. We also have a playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give all of us a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And in today's video, we must create any summer DIYs, but one of the projects must be with a birdhouse. I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you could go ahead and visit these creators and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to all our channels. I want to say happy birthday to Lisa and CJ. They are having a birthday this month. Shout out to them. I hope that you enjoy your birthday month. Happy birthday. For our second project, I have this floral vase, and I am going to be giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint, and I added some baking soda to it. So I'll be giving it 1 entire coat. I purchased a whole bunch of these burlap ribbons for $7 and it was an entire box. I am cutting the border where this is the part that has the wire. So I'm going to cut both sides, and then with that same one, I'm just going to go ahead and place it right down here in the bottom. Now for the rest of the ribbon, I'm going to cut 1/2 inch, and then that 1/2 inch of ribbon, I'm going to place it right on the upper section of the vase. When I went to the garage sale and I saw this box full of these burlap ribbons, my heart was just joyful, because when you go to the dollar store, you pay $1.25 and they just give you X amount of yards versus $7 in a full box. I mean, it was a big box. I was so happy. So I have been crafting and I've been using these burlap ribbons as much as I can. This little pink rose is from the Dollar Tree. This is a sticker, and I'm going to be taking out the greenery section, and then I'm going to be placing it right on top of the vase. And I also have some floral foam. I added the floral foam, and I also have a whole bunch of flowers from the bottom of my stash, and I am going to be filling it up. So I have some white, yellow, pink, and purple flowers that I will be incorporating inside this beautiful arrangement. And then this will be it for this second project. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Here's the final review. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And if you like it, give me that big thumbs up. It does help my channel. For project number 3, this is so easy. I don't even think this is a DIY or a project. I didn't purchase this. They gave me this for free at a garage sale, the frame. I am cutting to size this little construction paper, the section where the bird is at, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside the frame. That is all. This is nice and easy. I think it took me probably 2 minutes to create this. This is beautiful, and of course, because I have created some birdhouses, I think that this complemented those other projects. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I just want to thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. I also want to thank my subscribers for the support that you give me, and for those that has not subscribed, I am hoping that you become part of our family by subscribing. And here is the final review. I hope you have enjoyed this video, my dear friends. I will see you in the next one soon.